Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Money Way, and today in this video we're going to be going over why Caesars Entertainment dropped about 11.5% just today. So I have two main news articles that's going to basically cover everything that happened today and give you the full gist of what's going on with the company and why I am temporarily bearish until the vaccine for coronavirus comes out and people can start actually bringing revenue to Caesars Entertainment, all the casinos, all the restaurants, all the nightclubs, all these different revenue streams that are yet to be tapped in due to length restrictions. You have to be 6 feet away at all times, and as a business owner on their part, they have to be very wary about this and pay attention a lot to links so that they don't get sued, they don't get in trouble, they don't get any legal trouble, and they can also get fined if they do not follow these restrictions. But anyways, the first article on the list, it's Bazinga, and the shares of several casino companies are trading lower, potentially amid concerns that a resurgence in coronavirus cases could lead to further shutdowns. Casinos recently reportedly notified staff of potential layoffs and furloughs. So you guys know that all throughout this coronavirus pandemic, with everyone away from work, all these length restrictions, all these economic problems, a lot of people are being laid off. And now once things are starting to get at least a little bit more settled, especially economically, people are thinking that these layoffs and these furloughs are at least slowing down. But now we have news of Caesars Entertainment adding on to previous layoffs, because you guys know that all these casinos companies, MGM Resorts, Caesars Entertainment, Eldorado Resorts, all these companies laid off a huge amount of people when the coronavirus was actually starting to take place. That was around February. No, actually, it was especially in March when they laid off, thousands of people in order to avoid financial crisis and save as much money for operating costs. You have to pay for these huge properties, which they have more than 50 of. They have casinos, they have nightclubs, they have restaurants, all these different revenue streams that have yet to make money because, especially this restaurant's getting shut down. Nightclubs are definitely shut down. All these concerts. So we haven't had a concert in, I think, 4 or 5 months. It's been absolutely insane, especially for these, resorts and casinos that can't have anyone within 6 feet of each other. So you guys know that there's those huge gambling tables, and now there's only 1 to 2 people per table. I mean, there used to be 5, 6, 7, 8, depending on the table, and they would be putting thousands, if not, some people are even putting millions of dollars at one time. But now there's like one person, and some people are even too scared to go because they are avoiding this, disease at all costs. But anyways, next on the list, and I think that this one was very important because we've been seeing a lot of this, especially in other stocks. Basically almost every stock is except for the technology stocks got absolutely murdered today. I mean, like, you have the airlines, you have the cruise lines, you have banks, financial services, all these different stocks are dropping today because our country has done a horrible job of suppressing the spread of this disease. I believe every day we get around 60,000 new cases, while in Italy it's not even 1,000. They've done a perfect job. Everywhere else in the world, they've done a perfect job at suppressing the spread of new cases of coronavirus, while our country, the United States, has done a horrible job at it. So we're getting new people infected every day. It's spreading all across the country, horrible rates. People are getting less revenue. More hospitals are getting filled up. I mean, honestly, we've done a horrible job at stopping this disease. But anyways, next on the list for the news for today, we have a billionaire econ acquired more than 17% of Caesars stock last year and controlled up to 25% to force a $17.3 billion sale of Caesars to Eldorado. So if you guys don't actually know about this and want to know the details more about that, I have a video on my channel where I go over all of this, which closed this month according to MarketWatch and CDC Gaming reports. Econ is the largest individual stockholder in the new company, which retains the Caesars name and is led by Eldorado Management. The combined entity is now the world's largest casino company. Yes, sir. On July 24, Keith Koza said he was resigning effective immediately. So we have this huge stockholder, this person that is very, very high in the board, is now resigning from this company. So we don't know if stocks are getting sold, but that is most likely what's happening. I mean, he owns 25% of the company, and now he is resigning. So there's probably stocks getting sold. There's, this guy was a very important member in the board, so he was giving information. He was very responsible when it comes to the financials, when it comes to the actual business aspects. He was there every single day, and he was running this company every single day, and that's what brought it to this extreme height. He owns a very large percentage of the company, and when you see someone that owns a quarter of the company that's resigning, from an investor standpoint, that is very scary, and that type of fear is what caused these huge drops. You have that added on to new cases. You have that added on to more employees getting laid off. Honestly, looking not good for Caesars Entertainment as of right now. Before, I was very, very bullish. I mean, you look at the 5-year chart, they've been growing, and now they're officially the largest casino company in the United States. I mean, that is absolutely crazy. They have more than 50 properties. But if you guys want to learn more about the different services and products that this company has to offer, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel. I have 2 videos on these companies, on this stock right now, that you can go ahead and check out. But anyways, guys, if you learned anything in this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Also, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think of this stock, and are you bullish or bearish. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.